Leading an organization requires more than just technical skills. It demands an understanding of complex dynamics and diverse perspectives. Ballman and Deal's four-frame model offers leaders a practical way to interpret and navigate the challenges they face.
The structural frame focuses on roles, responsibilities, and processes. Leaders using this frame see organizations as factories or machines, emphasizing clear goals, formal relationships, and well-defined policies. This approach helps clarify expectations, streamline workflows, and ensure resources are allocated efficiently. However, relying solely on structure can sometimes overlook the human elements that drive performance.
The human resource frame highlights the importance of people within organizations. Leaders adopting this perspective focus on needs, relationships, and personal growth. They see organizations as families, where support, motivation, and development are key. By prioritizing communication, empathy, and team building, leaders can foster engagement and loyalty, but must also balance individual aspirations with organizational goals.
The political frame views organizations as arenas of competition, conflict, and negotiation. Leaders using this frame recognize diverse interests and the need to build coalitions, manage power dynamics, and advocate for resources. By understanding informal networks and stakeholder agendas, leaders can navigate complex environments and achieve consensus. However, this frame requires careful handling to avoid fostering divisiveness.
The symbolic frame emphasizes culture, meaning, and rituals within organizations. Leaders who leverage this frame understand the power of vision, storytelling, and shared values to inspire action. By creating a sense of purpose and celebrating achievements, they help shape organizational identity. While symbolism can unify teams, leaders must ensure that messages remain authentic and aligned with real practices.
By viewing organizations through the structural, human resource, political, and symbolic frames, leaders can better understand challenges and adapt their approach. Ballman and Deal's four-frame model empowers leaders to respond flexibly and make more informed decisions, fostering stronger teams and more resilient organizations.